Today we're creating a summer-inspired menu, and instead of starting from scratch, I'm going to use one of these pre-made designs as a base. One of my favorite design tips is to not get attached to the original layout. If there's anything I know I won't use, I delete it right away. It helps me see the design with fresh eyes and makes the creative process a lot easier. So first, let's clean this up a bit, and now we can start rearranging everything. I'll move the title over here and bring the rest of the text to the right side. When you're designing menus, it's important to create a clear visual hierarchy. You want customers to instantly know where to look first, second, and third. That makes the menu feel easier to read and can even help highlight your best-selling items. Try to take your time here. This part is really important because you want the final design to look polished and professional. Small adjustments in alignment, spacing, and placement can make a huge difference in how the design is perceived. Now that everything is starting to feel aligned, let's look for some summer illustrations. Lemons are everywhere right now, so I think they're the perfect choice for this design. I like this one. Let's add it in. And honestly, this is the fun part. You can really play around with placement, scale, and composition here. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes the best layouts come from trying something unexpected. Let's also see what some color would look like on the text. Okay, not bad. We'll keep moving for now, but we might come back and change it later. That's another tip. You don't need to make every decision final right away. Keep the momentum going and revisit things once the overall design starts coming together. I'm actually thinking of replacing this larger lemon illustration on the left side with something different. This one caught my eye, so let's see if it works. Nice. I think that's helping balance the composition a bit better. Now let's work on the background. Backgrounds can completely change the mood of a design, so I like trying a few options before committing. Maybe a solid color, maybe a texture, or even a pattern. I'm gonna search for some stripes. Let's try this one. I'm not really convinced by this blue tone. It doesn't feel as warm and fresh as I want for a summer menu, so let's test another option. Okay, this one feels much better. Now that we have a busier background, I want to make sure the content stays easy to read. A good menu isn't just pretty, it's functional. If customers can't quickly find information, the design isn't doing its job. So let's add a shape behind the content and make it white or a very light tone. This creates contrast and helps all of our text and illustrations stand out. At this point, we're really just making final adjustments. I'm nudging elements around, fixing spacing, adjusting sizes, and making sure everything feels balanced. And yes, we're definitely changing that text color we picked earlier. Let's try this one instead. Much better. It feels more cohesive and works a lot better with the overall color palette. Remember, good design isn't just about making something look beautiful. It's about guiding attention, creating an experience, and helping products stand out. See you in the next design tutorial.